So many people have microwaves and air fryers now. Why haven't we just combined both of them?
The Ninja Crispi Microwave is a microwave that also crisps. Hey, I'm Michaela and I'm the VP of Engineering.
I'm Sean Dorsey. I am a mechanical engineer. When you go to reheat your French fries, you know what you're going to get out of a regular microwave. Sad, floppy, soggy. It's not going to be great.
And you're compromising on texture for speed.
We wanted to solve that by bringing the speed of the microwave, but with the power of a Ninja air fryer. Heat up your food from the inside, still give you that crisp at the end.
I love a good reheated egg roll. That's kind of my jam.
Just use air fry, microwave on its own, or you can combine the both of them and use FusionCrisp.
FusionCrisp, we've put in so much time and testing and validating it.
Microwave speed with air fryer results. Most people are familiar with the turntable. Put your food on this table to spin it through the wave. We're the opposite of that.
Instead of turning the food through the waves, we turn the waves around your food. You can have a really big dinner plate or something that's edge to edge. No matter how you put that food into the cavity, whether your food is back right or front left, you are getting the same output.
The glass basket itself was our solution to something that you could microwave in, but also air fry in. It's an elegant piece that you can put in the middle of a table and serve right out of.
It is a PFAS-free tempered borosilicate. It's really strong and can take the extreme heat. You can make baked ziti. You really just get a delicious output that you would never think that you would be able to get out of a microwave. It would not be a Ninja product if you could not fit a whole chicken.
I did not think I could love a microwave as much as this.